Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the simple sales tax calculation program. Let us show the demo first. Okay, this is a simple demo I am going to show you. This is a tax price. You have to enter the price here, tax rate after tax price, right? Now here, if you buy the item for 15,000, include 5% tax. If you click OK, after add the tax 5%, it calculate and display the price after calculating the tax price, right? 15, this is the price, right? This is the price it is calculated and display, right? If you add it here as 6%, this is the price. If it is a 10%, this is the price, right? This is the things we have to do, right? Very simple one. Let us show the demo first. How to done this one, I will show the code. I already done how to design this frame, right? I no need to explain from the beginning how to design this frame. Okay, I already my previous tutors also I done this before, right? If I telling from the beginning it's so boring, so I just skip that part, designing part. After design, you make sure it is a swing look or not. This is the actual swing look. How to make this as an actual swing look? You have to press the control, go to the source here, control F. You have to press control F your keyboard. You have to type here, find UI. UI design here is default to come as something less, so you have to change it as mental, right? If you make it as mental, it is the interface look like this. It's a professional one for swing application, right? This is the things you have to do. After that, what I did here is, after that I have to calculate it, double click on the open OK button. Here I have created the variable variable data type double text price. This is the right. So this is the text field. This is a text field. What is the value you enter on this text field? It is assigned to the variable which is a text price, right? What is the value you enter on the rate on this text field? It is assigned to the variable, this variable, right? This is two variables which assign the values, right? After that I am going to calculate the one. So double dot, we have to calculate double dot equal this one rate divide by 100. What is the rate you are entered here? It divide by 100 and multiply the price. The price, what is the price you are entered here? What is the amount you are give the percentage here? This is a percentage. It is divided by the 100. It is multiplied by the text price. After that, I have added after done this calculation part, I am going to add again the price. This price. Okay, what is the initial price you are entered here? We have to add that again. After that, we have to calculate all the stuff and put into the assigned to this start variable. I have to call into this particular text field. Okay, this is the text field. The final result will be displayed. Okay, so that's the stuff I have done here. Let us show the demo first again. Here this is the first step. I am going to enter here 20,000 for the price. Any products you have you buy it. You assume that you have buy some product. The price should be 20,000. They include the 10% tax for that item. So after click OK, this is the 10% tax will be calculated and display the after tax calculated. Here this is the price. This is how we have to do the inventory control, right? System, right? This is how we have calculated the price, right? I hope you guys understood things well. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.